नमस्ते बच्चों, let us see the next question of your exercise third B, which is based on factorization of squares of difference of two numbers. We have already discussed up to question number 22. Now let us see question number 22 of your exercise third B. And your question is, you have to factorize x square plus y square minus z square minus 2xy. So let us factorize it. You can see x square, y square and 2xy. X, y and xy, these three terms are related to each other. So write it together, x square plus y square minus 2xy. And separate minus z square. Now you know that a square plus b square minus 2ab is the identity which is equal to a minus b the whole square. So at the place of a there is x, at the place of b there is y. So this expression will become x minus y the whole square and minus z square is here, so write it as z the whole square. Now it is the identity a whole square minus b the whole square, so it will become a minus b and a plus b. So at the place of a there is x minus y. So write here x minus y and minus b, that is at the place of b there is z and x minus y a plus b, at the place of b there is z. Now remove the big bracket, x minus y and minus z is here and into x minus y plus z. This is your final answer. Now let us see question number 25. Question number 25, which is given a minus b minus a square minus b square. You have to factorize it. So this is a minus b and these are squares. So separate it, a minus b will be together and minus, put the minus sign and give the bracket. If we take minus sign outside of the bracket, the sign will change. This minus will change into plus, that is a square. If what is here, plus sign is here, so there is no need to write the plus sign, and plus this will also change into plus b square. Oh sorry, plus sign is here, so it will change into minus sign. Plus will be changed into minus and minus will be changed into plus. Now this is your a minus b and this is the identity itself, a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So write it, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. Now two terms are here, and in these two terms a minus b and a minus b is common. So take a minus b as common and put the bracket here. Now divide this term by a minus b. A minus b divided by a minus b will be equal to 1, and minus sign is there, so put minus sign, and what will left here, a minus b will be cancelled by this a minus b, then a plus b will left, so put a plus b. Now a minus b is here and remove this bracket and 1 is here, so write 1, and minus when multiplied by plus a will be minus a, and minus multiplied by plus b will be minus b. This is your factorization for the question number 25. Now let us see question number 29. Your question number 29 is 9 minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So you can see a square, 2ab and minus b square. These are related to each other, and 9 is the number. So keep here 9, take minus sign outside of the bracket. So it will be a square plus a square, minus will change into plus. There is no need to write plus sign here, because if nothing is here then plus sign is already here. Then and now this sign plus will be changed into minus, and 2ab will be here, and this minus sign will change into plus b square. You know that it is an identity whose value is a minus b the whole square. So it will become 9, and 9 can be written as 3 the whole square, square of 3, 9 is the square of 3, and minus this will be a minus b the whole square. Now this is the identity a square minus b square. As you can see here, a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. Here at the place of a, there is 3, and at the place of b there is a minus b. So you have to write a minus b. So you will write 3 minus a minus b at the place of b, and a plus b. So at the place of a you have to write 3 and plus. At the place of b you have to write a minus b. Now remove the bracket. So it will be 3 minus plus a will be minus a, and minus minus b will be plus b. And this will become 3 plus a plus plus will be plus a, and plus minus will be minus b. This is your factorization for question number 27. Now let us see question number 29. You have to factorize 1 plus 2ab minus in bracket a square plus b square. So it will be 1, first remove the bracket, 1 plus 2ab, and minus when multiplied by plus a square it will be minus a square, and minus multiplied by plus will be minus, and b square is here. Now you have to rearrange it. So 1 minus, write minus a square minus b square and plus 2ab. Now 1 and took minus sign outside and give the bracket. If we are going to take minus sign outside of the bracket, then after taking the minus outside of the bracket, in bracket all the sign will be changed. Minus a square will be plus a square, minus b square will become plus b square, and plus 2ab will become minus 2ab. So it will be 1 minus, and this is the identity, you know, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b the whole square. So write it as 1 the whole square minus a minus b the whole square. Now this is the identity a square minus b square. At the place of a 1, at the place of b there is a minus b. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So write at the place of a 1, and minus at the place of b you have to write a minus b, and at the place of a write here 1, and plus b at the place of b you have to write a minus b. Now it will be 1 and minus a, minus when multiplied by plus a it will be minus a. Remove the bracket, So minus multiplied by plus will be minus a, minus multiplied by minus will be plus b, and 1 plus a plus plus multiplied plus will be here, and plus multiplied by minus b will be minus b. This is your factorization for question number 29. Now let us see one more question. Question number 31. It is given that x square minus y square plus 6y minus 9. You have to factorize it. So x is different variable, so write here x square minus, take minus sign outside and give the bracket. So in bracket all sign will change. It will become y square, minus will be plus y square, plus 6y will become minus 6y, and minus 9 will become plus 9. Now this is your x the whole square minus, this will be y the whole square, can be written, and this can be written as 3 the whole square, and minus sign is here, so put minus, and in between you have to write minus 2ab. So 2 is in the formula, and at the place of a you can see here y is here, so write y multiplied by y, at the place of b there is 3. So this is on the formula a square minus 2ab plus b the b square. Okay, and its value is a minus b the whole square. So it will be x the whole square minus, and this will become a minus b, at the place of a there is y, at the place of b there is 3, so it will become y minus 3 the whole square. Now it becomes x square, a square minus b square. A, at the place of a there is x, and at the place of b there is y minus 3. Then you have to factorize it. So it will become, at the place, it will be x the whole square minus y minus 3 the whole square. At the place of a you have x here, and at the place of b you have y minus 3 here. So it will be a plus b, that is a minus b, that is at the place of a you have to write x, at the place of b you have to write y minus 3, and again in bracket you have to write a plus b. So write at the place of a x, and plus at the place of b y minus 3. Now remove this small and big brackets, keep one small bracket. So it will be x, and minus plus will be minus y, and minus will be plus 3, and x, and plus will be plus y, and plus minus will be minus 3. This is your factorization for question number 31. Now let us see question number 33. You have to factorize 9a square plus 3a minus 8b minus 64b square. इसमें क्या करेंगे, 9a स्क्वायर हो गया, 9a स्क्वायर, और ये b स्क्वायर वाले को एक साथ रखेंगे, माइनस 64b स्क्वायर, एंड प्लस 3a हो गया, ये इसको यहाँ रखेंगे, और माइनस 8b ये लास्ट में रख देंगे, ये एक साथ रहेगा ब्रैकेट में, और ये स्क्वायर है तो एक साथ रहेगा. अब ये 9a स्क्वायर 9 3 का स्क्वायर है, और a स्क्वायर a का स्क्वायर है, तो ये 3a का होल स्क्वायर हो गया, और ये 64 किसका स्क्वायर है, 8 का. अब b स्क्वायर b का स्क्वायर है, तो इसको होल स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, प्लस 3a माइनस 8b ये लिख देंगे. अब this is a square minus b square, at the place of a there is 3a, at the place of b there is 8b, and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So this is the value of 3a the whole square minus 8b the whole square, and after this you have plus 3a and minus 8b. Now in these two expressions, these two terms, you have 3a minus 8b and 3a minus 8b is common. So 3a minus 8b will be common factor, and now after taking the common you have to put bracket. जैसे ही कॉमन लेंगे उसके बाद क्या रखेंगे, ब्रैकेट. अब ये 3a माइनस 8b जब इस टर्म को डिवाइड करेंगे पूरे को इससे कॉमन फैक्टर से, तो ये और ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बच जाएगा 3a प्लस 8b. और इसको जब डिवाइड करेंगे सेकेंड टर्म, यहाँ प्लस साइन है उसके बाद तो प्लस दे देंगे, इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 3a माइनस 8b से 3a माइनस 8b को, तो जब सेम नंबर डिवाइड करेंगे सेम नंबर से तो क्या आएगा 1. यहाँ पे 1 लिख देंगे. ये हो गया फैक्टराइजेशन तुम्हारा. अब 34 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर दिया है प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये जो है ये एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया. एक्स स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज एक्स द होल स्क्वायर. 1 बाई एक्स द होल स्क्वायर will be equal to 1 square will be 1 and x square will be x square. And this 3 can be written as minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now you have to keep these two to x with x square plus 1 by x square. It will be based on identity. See how it will be. On identity x the whole square plus 1 by x the whole square and minus, write here 2, and at the place of a write x, and b at the place of b there is 1 by x, and write 1 as 1 the whole square. Now you know that it is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, and it is equal to a minus b the whole स्क्वायर. ये जब एक्स ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, यहाँ पे x रख दोगे, a की जगह पे x रख दोगे, b की जगह पे 1 बाई एक्स रख दोगे, तो ये x और ये x कैंसिल हो जाएगा. फिर 2 1 जा 2, यहाँ पे 2 है तो इसका वैल्यू चेंज नहीं हो रहा, तो हम यहाँ पे x इंटू 1 बाई एक्स लिख सकते हैं. और ये हमारा आइडेंटिटी हो गया ए स्क्वायर. ये एक्स स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर हो गया 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर, बी स्क्वायर हो गया माइनस 2 एट द प्लेस ऑफ ए, एक्स हो गया एट द प्लेस ऑफ बी 1 बाई एक्स हो गया, और इसका वैल्यू फिर क्या आएगा माइनस 2 आएगा. इसको काटने के लिए नहीं लिखा गया है, काटना नहीं, आइडेंटिटी पे आ गया. इसका वैल्यू हम लिख देंगे, इसका पूरा का वैल्यू ए माइनस बी द होल स्क्वायर. ए के जगह पे क्या लिखना है एक्स, और बी की जगह पे क्या लिखना है 1 बाई एक्स द होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 द होल स्क्वायर. नाउ अब यहाँ पे ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर आइडेंटिटी हो गया. ये ए के जगह पे हो गया एक्स माइनस 1 बाई एक्स, और बी की जगह पे हो गया 1, तो ये हो जाएगा ए माइनस बी दैट इज एक्स माइनस 1 बाई एक्स माइनस 1, और ए की जगह पे एक्स माइनस 1 बाई एक्स लिखेंगे, और प्लस बी की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे 1. ये हो गया तुम्हारा फैक्टराइजेशन. लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. Your question number 36 is you have to factorize x power 4 plus 4 by x power 4. So this x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square. x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, पावर 2 2 जा 4, फिर पावर 4 आ जाएगा, और 4 is the square of 2 and x power 4 is here in denominator, so it will be written as x square the whole square, and 4 can be written as 2 the square. So it will be x square the whole square plus 2 upon x square the whole square. Now you can see one identity is here, a square plus b square. So a square plus b square we have already here, and plus 2ab is here. So write here 2, at the place of a you have to write x square, at the place of b you have to write 2 upon x square. इसके बाद कोई टर्म नहीं था, देयर इज नो टर्म आफ्टर 2 upon x square the whole square, but we have written here 2 multiplied by x square into 2 upon x square. ठीक है, इसको अपने मन से लिखा गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है, ये था नहीं, तो ये एक्स स्क्वायर और ये एक्स स्क्वायर तो कट जाएगा, बचेगा क्या, 2 2 जा 4। तो हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे इसको ऐड कर देंगे, यहाँ पे पहले लिख देंगे 4 ऐड करेंगे, और जब ये तो था नहीं यहाँ पे, देयर is no term after these two terms, but we have written 4, we have added 4, then you have to subtract 4 also. This 4 plus and minus will be cancelled, then we remain with these two terms only. Okay, but there is, यहाँ पे इसको काटने के लिए नहीं लिखा गया है, there is no need to cancel it because we have written purposely, we have written plus 4 and we have subtracted minus 4. Now it will be based on this identity C. It can be written as x square the whole square plus 2 upon x square the whole square plus write it as 2 multiplied by a. At the place of a you have to write x square, at the place of b you have to write 2 upon x square, and this 4 can be written as minus 2 the whole square. Now this is your a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, which is equal to a plus b the whole square. So at the place of a you have to write x square, at the place of b you have to write 2 upon x square the whole square, and this is minus 2 the whole square. Now it is based on a square minus b square. At the place of a you have x square plus 2 upon x square, and at the place of b you have 2. So it will be a minus b, that is x square plus 2 upon x square minus 2, and a plus b, that is x square plus 2 upon x square plus 2. This is your factorization for your question number 36. Now let us see question number 38. 40 questions are there in this exercise. So let us see question number 38 now. The question number 38 is, you have to factorize 16x power 4 minus 1. So you know that 16 is the square of 4 and x power 4 can be written as square of x square. So it will be 4x square the whole square, 4 square is 16 and x square of x square will be x power 4, and this can be written as 1 the whole square. Now it will be a, here your a is 4x square and b is 1. So its value will be a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So at the place of a you have to write 4x square minus b, at the place of b you have to write 1, and then multiplied by a plus b. Then at the place of a you have to write 4x square, and at the place of b you have to write plus 1. Now you can see this is also the perfect square. 4 is the square of 2 and x square is the square of x. So it can be written as 2x the whole square, and 1 can be written as 1 square. And this is, there is plus sign, so it can't be factorized, so it will remain the same. 4x square plus 1 will remain the same. Now it is a square and this is b square, a square minus b square. Now again write it as a minus b, at the place of a you have to write 2x minus b, at the place of b you have to write 1, and a plus b, that is 2x, at the place of a you have to write 2x plus b, at the place of b you have to write 1, and then 4x square plus 1. This is your final answer. And let us see, it's time to end the exercise 3rd B, question number 40. And your question number 40 is x power 4 minus 625. You have to factorize it. So you write it, x power 4 can be written as x square the whole square, and this is the square of 25. So this is here, a is x square and b is 25, and it is based on a square minus b square, so it will be a minus b, that is x square minus 25, and a plus b, that is x square plus 25. Now this a square minus, this is the square of x and this is the square of 5, so it can be factorized x the whole square minus 5 the whole square, and this here plus sign is there, and there is no identity based on a square plus b square, so it will remain the same. X square plus 25 will remain the same. Now here also we have got a square minus b square at the place of a. Now x is here, so it will be x minus 5 and x plus 5, a minus b, a plus b, and x square plus 25 will remain the same. This is your factorization for question number 40. Now we have finished the exercise 3, 3rd B, and in next class we will study exercise 3rd C of your textbook. So try to solve the remaining question of exercise 3rd B, which is already has been sent to your WhatsApp group. Okay.